your Friday evening forecast update from the NWS Phoenix. I'm meteorologist Jared Heil. Some high clouds passing through this evening, but it was a hot day, wasn't it? High temperatures were in the mid-90s. We set a new record for our first 90-degree day of the year in Phoenix. 96 was the high. The old record was 93 degrees. These high clouds in and out of our skies over the next day or two, but it's still going to be hot. 60s tonight, and then heating up tomorrow with the mid-90s again by afternoon. With partly cloudy weather, it will be a hot day out there. 96 our forecast in Phoenix, 95 in Yuma, 97 El Centro, plus or minus a couple degrees. I want to show you here the most reasonable range of temperatures tomorrow, anywhere from the mid to upper 90s in most cases, and also the odds of getting up to 100 degrees, pretty small. But that's really not much consolation when you're in the mid and upper 90s, and mid to late March, it is still hot. So take frequent water breaks and seek some shade if you have to be outdoors or plan to be tomorrow recreating. Okay, so as we move into next week, weather changes are coming in a hurry. We have a cold front pushing through, we have cloud cover, and that will drop us into the upper 60s and low 70s by Tuesday. There's the little weather system, a pretty impressive one at that, by Tuesday moving through the region, giving us best rain chances we've had in quite some time. An 80% chance of rain now in Phoenix, 90% in Globe, 70% in Gila Bend, and down to around a 50% chance for you folks out along the Colorado Valley. In terms of what that means for potential precipitation, this is the current look for you at the range of potential outcomes in terms of rainfall. About 1/4 of an inch is around the average of the forecast models right now in Phoenix, a little more in Globe, a little less out to the west. But you can see on the top end of what's reasonable, it may be over 1/2 an inch for some folks. That would be beneficial rainfall. As you may know, we're heading toward our even drier time of the year. And taking a look at the week 2 trends, this is probably our best shot at seeing appreciable rain, because after this system, the CPC is showing near to below normal precipitation in week 2. Hot for the weekend, stay cool, and we'll talk to you soon here from the NWS Phoenix.